Okay, another great place to buy a domain is NameCheap.com, and though it is cheap, it's not much cheaper than other providers. However, it gives you less flexibility when it comes to transferring domains, when it comes to changing the host later on. It is cheap to start with, but it's definitely limited with what it offers later on. So nevertheless, it's a great place if you just want to buy a domain and connect it. So go to namecheap.com and search for your domain. So let's search for the same domain as we did with Bluehost. So type in the My Little Fancy Store and click search. And as you can see, the price is really similar. It's only £2 less, so it's about $4 less per year. So it's not really huge difference. However, it is slightly cheaper. The same domain is available on mylittlefancystore.com. Obviously, certain other extensions. I think they've got much more extensions. What they offer is those kind of really fancy extensions for like 80p per year. So it's like $1 per year. So this is why they're much cheaper. However, I wouldn't use them for your retail store. So let's stick to .com, and so pick the one you want, .com, and click add to cart. Okay, and now checkout. And now you can select whether you want to renew automatically, so you can choose it. And you've got Who is Guard subscription as well. So this is privacy protection. It is available, so it is forever free with NameCheap. So it's worth remembering about it. It was extra almost £10, about almost $12 with Bluehost. So if you wanted, you can go with NameCheap. Okay, so Namecheap has got separated icon fee, and when I checked, it is some kind of legal internet corporation for assigned names and numbers. I am pretty sure that Bluehost and other hosts charge it as well. However, it is obviously separated, so the base price is cheaper. However, it's only like 14 pence per year. Okay, so if you're happy with it, simply click confirm, or you can choose if you want to have a host for 2 years, but it's exactly the same price, so you don't save at as much or at all. So let's stick to 1 year and confirm order. And now you can log into your account or sign up. So if you haven't got Namecheap account, let's simply sign up. So you need your username, password, confirm password, first and last name, and email address. Okay, once it's done, you can sign up to a newsletter, but you don't have to. Simply click create account and continue. Now on the next page, simply review your order, add company name, job title. If you are registering on behalf of company, add your address details, phone number, and select continue. So obviously it's not as straightforward as Bluehost, but you obviously need more details. Okay, so there's definitely more fluff with buying domain from Namecheap. They don't like it easy, which is good. Nobody likes it easy. Okay, and if you're happy, click continue. And now you can pay with your credit or debit card. You can pay with PayPal, or you can make a transfer, I believe. And then obviously receipt details, if you want to renew or not. And when done, simply click continue to the payment confirmation. When done, you will be able to find your name in your Namecheap dashboard. So you simply need to log into your account and go to admin and then manage your domain the same from there. And you can connect your domain to Shopify using the same way as I showed you in one of the previous videos.